Welcome to my new listing here at 28 Winslow Park Drive here in Catonsville, Maryland. As you come into the main level, you notice we got beautiful hardwood floors throughout. You walk into the dining room and it overlooks your huge deck, huge backyard for a townhome. And as you walk into the kitchen, we got tile floors and real wood cabinets. As you enter the top floor, you're coming into the primary bedroom here. We also have a primary half bath with tile floor, updated vinyl windows throughout. We have another full bath here with a tile floor, and then 2 more bedrooms. As you come to the lower level, we have a huge rec room, updated carpet, half bath with tile floor. Walk out to your backyard. This side we got a possible office, more storage, huge laundry room and utility room with more storage. Thanks for coming to take a look at my new listing. If I can help you sell, buy, or invest, feel free to reach out. Don't forget to hit that like and share button. I'll see you on the next one.